tiny cage?
Talk about fast food. He just ninja'd that fly. I'm waving so hard my arm's cramping. Peekaboo.
Chat, look! Delivery! No! This ain't a donkey!
Almost reached. Ouch!
Ooh.
Deja de desplazarte. Bienvenido a Nextbot Sim Playground Mod, donde todo es posible.
Monkey.
Time to audition for the 100-meter dash.
Fetch this, banana breath.
Monkeys on a cheat day.
Oh. Who's the clever one now?
Ah!
Oops, slipped straight at you.
Get me out of here!
Step aside, zookeepers. Problems back off.
Ooh.
Out of reach and loving it.
Ah.
Ooh.
Oh!
Is it clever or lucky? Monkey?
Escape route, any route.
Say hi to the gram, fuzzy dude. Can I get in? Almost reached. Help! Seeing that monkey clutch a bottles. Ouch! Security now. Okay, next time.
Note to self, never underestimate primates.
Who put human on the exhibit list?
I have to get out of here.
Knock knock. That hurt! Check out the rear view!
So I was super excited to find out that Quince actually carries some of the brands that I know and love. If I had to choose my absolute favorite, I would have to say it is the Rich Cream by Augustina Spotter. It's honestly one of those products that just makes your skin feel so nourished, especially when it's feeling dry. Overall, I just love that Quince carries brands like these because I was already buying them anyway. So earning up to 25% back in Quince credit just makes it an even better choice. And just like that, we have beautiful glowy skin, all at the fraction of the cost thanks to Quince.
Hello. One wrong move, I pounce.